Welcome back to another video. I'm headed to West Palm Beach right now. Today is Wednesday at 2:30 in the afternoon. As you guys know, if you live in Central Florida, then you are aware of the car shows this weekend. Simply Clean. The pre-meet is Friday. The actual show itself is Saturday, and then the following day I will be at Cars and Coffee Palm Beach. Can't talk. So I'm headed to Palm Beach right now so I can actually get our products in a U-Haul so I can get to Orlando tomorrow, get another pallet the following day of Adam's products that they ship down from corporate. If you guys know Kyle Martin and Matthew Butcher, they will also be there at Simply Clean. So what goes into organizing an event for Simply Clean or any car show of that degree, of that magnitude? What goes into something like that as far as setup, product placement, you know, stuff like that, booths, vendor selection, what actually goes into it? So I'm going to show you guys exactly that. So you guys sit tight, get some popcorn. This video may be a little lengthy. I might separate it into one or two different videos as far as process goes, but like I said, I'm headed to Palm Beach now. I have to leave my car in Palm Beach because when I pick up the U-Haul and load it full of products, I'm only one person, so I can't drive two vehicles back. But that's fine, I don't need my vehicle. The wife has her car, her Mini Cooper, which is perfectly fine. I almost decided to take it to Palm Beach, but you know, it'd be my luck, something would go wrong with the car and you know, I'd be stranded. I'd be SOL, as a lot of people say. So I would not want to be in that situation as far as being 2.5 hours away from home and something happened to the car and break down, and you know, I don't want to have to deal with that. So I'm gonna take Mr. Reliable or Miss Reliable, however you want to classify this Volkswagen, whether it's a guy or girl, doesn't matter. So let's go. There it is, guys, the 26-foot U-Haul, and it's packed probably 60 to 70% full right now. This is a F650 V10. I'm not going to bore you with all this stuff. I was actually going to clean it for the drive up to Orlando, but I was like, you know what, screw it, it's not my truck, it's a U-Haul. The only thing I will clean is the inside of the windshield and the cluster. Alright, so last night me and a buddy loaded this truck. Without his help, I probably would not have been able to do this that quickly. But as you guys see, all the way to the back right there, that little space up there is called the mom's attic. Don't know why, just is. But all of that right there is packed, and there should be enough room right here to where we can either load our pallet tomorrow or we can unwrap it and then stack it right here. Otherwise, that is how everything is sitting, and nothing moves, which is great. The 2.5 hour journey from Palm Beach to where I live here, nothing moved. So awesome. Alright, so the next stop is tomorrow. We're going to be in Orlando loading this pallet full of products, and then the next stop after that is to unload it at the meet, have the pre-meet, and then the show on Saturday. So if you guys are even remotely close to being able to come, it's $30 to enter, just to spectate. Make sure you guys come, stop at the booth, get some product, and meet and greet maybe. We'll see you guys there. Stay tuned for the next video.